So right side. Soft than before, quite flexible.
Yes, no.
Yeah. The first time I see so it's very tight. Maybe, too tight. Okay.
Yeah, it's running numb.
Very long. When I press here.
Yeah, no.
When I press here, you feel long. Okay, lie down. Because you have a severe PID. Nearly need the surgery. Okay, a bit.
Oh! Oh!
Any difference?
Yes, okay, a little bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Feel better?
Feel better.
Feel better.
Oh, yeah, that's if I'm going to.
Relax, relax. Wow, so tight.
Ooh.
Feel pain?
Oh, yes.
Already feel pain?
Oh! Ooh.
You hear the sound from inside?
Yes.
Okay, relax. Okay. Ah, have a sound.
Oh.
Relax.
Oh!
Nothing. Just scary. Just scary. Okay. Try to move your hand now. Feel
Yeah,
better?
feel better.
Feel better?
Yeah, feel better.
Feel better?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, relax. Yeah, very painful, huh?
This is the settings from the...
Yeah, feel pain. Feel pain inside?
Ready to sleep. I couldn't sleep because I feel the pain on my pelvic.
Okay. Yeah. The back. The neck is okay already. I think the neck problem is killed.
Yeah. And also the shoulder because I couldn't up.
Okay. Shoulder and the back. And go to another back pain. Over here. Mostly here. Mostly here. Okay. Sure. Yes. Wow. Okay. Wow. So many times. More pain on the left side.
Yeah.
Exhale. Inhale. Breathe out. Breathe out. again. Breathe out. Don't hold the breath. Breathe in and out. Okay. So try this.